This video will show you how to use our medical CRM platform. We go to our website Orooba InfoSys.com. We click on Services. We navigate to the link, then we click on it. So, this is the home page for our application. We click on Add the clinic for first time. Then, we add a new clinic. In this form, we fill out these information. If you have a website or a business web page, you can add it here so it can be shared with your patients on their social media. Here, we move to the user page so we can add our first username to log in to the website. Now, we are redirected to the home page again so we can log in with the username that we created. If you need more clinical users to use this platform, then you can add them here in this form. Here, we can add doctors or dentists from this clinic so they can be linked to their patients later. Here, you have the option to add the photos for your clinic, yourself, and your work. You can add up to 6 photos, and these are optional. Here's an option to remove all photos if you don't need them or if you want to change them. Also, here you have option to email your current news as a newsletter to your patients about your work in the clinic. And here is the text area where you can add your newsletter. You can format your fonts in the text area of the current news. For example, you can change the font size, type, and the color. Here, you can add more doctors or dentists from your clinic. We click here to add new patients. As you see here, a passcode is generated for the new patient. This passcode will be used in the survey link sent to the patient, and another link sent to him to view his results report after completing the survey. Choose the language for the patient when he takes the survey when the link is emailed to him. Then, you can assign the patient to his doctor or dentist. Here, you will create the encryption and decryption private key that will encrypt and decrypt the patient's report. This is optional if you only want to encrypt the report. And here are the option to encrypt or decrypt the report and the option to email the report to the patient after completing the survey. Here, you can add the patient's results report that will be emailed to him. Then, he can click on the link provided in the email. This message is just to show you that you can open the patient form again to see the encrypted or decrypted report when added or updated. You can see the encrypted content of the report here. If you click again to open the patient's form, you will see the encrypted content of the report. You can decrypt it if you want. Then, you can see the original content of the report. You can add more patients. In this page you can see the multiple languages that the survey can be taken by the patients. Now, let's send an email to the patients with the current news about the doctor and his clinic. Then, we check the email. Here is the email sent to one of the patients to his Gmail. You can see some photos for the clinic, a photo for the doctor or dentist, and some photos for his work. And you will see some links for social media such as Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Google+, where the patient can share the website or the business webpage of his doctor or dentist with his friends. Now, let's send the survey link to one of the patients so he can take the survey. Now, we check the email and we click on the link to take the survey. We can change the language here if we want to take the survey in a language other than English. In the first question here, you'll see the names of the doctor and the patient popped up in the question text. We go through the survey questions one by one. We answer the question. We click Continue. Or if we need to review or change our previous answers, we click Previous. Here, if you've experienced any problem in the clinic during your visit, then you can add your comments or feedback. Here, you can add a brief review about your doctor or dentist. Here are some demographic questions about the patients to answer. He may answer these questions or choose prefer not to answer. This email is sent to the patient after completing the survey where he can get his decryption private key to decrypt his report. And this email is sent to the patient after completing the survey so he can check his report. As you see, the report here is encrypted, so you click on View your complete report. A new web page is opened for the patient report. As you see, the report content is encrypted. Here, the patient needs to enter some information such as his date of birth, city, and decryption private key so he can decrypt and view his report. So, here is the decrypted report. We can see the same content that was in the doctor application. Then, we can export the report to PDF page. Then, we can open it. To view the survey report and check the survey results, under Survey Table, we click on this link and click on Survey Reports. Here, you can enter the start and end dates if you want to check some results based on a certain period. Otherwise, you can check all the results for taking the survey by all patients of the doctor or dentist. When we click on this link, we can see the rating and reviews for the doctor. Also, the doctor can copy and paste the link provided here and share on his website or business webpage. People can see his rating and reviews. Here, you can view all survey results for the doctor or dentist. Also, this survey report page can provide you with some reviews that can be reported to the site admin if it has any issues such as inappropriate or offensive review. Also, in the end of this page, you can see the list of patients who've had bad experience with the doctor or dentist. Their names can be shown here so the clinic or the doctor can contact them directly to learn about the issues that they faced. So here's the Excel sheet that will be exported from the survey report page. You can navigate through this Excel sheet to see the patients' counts who took the survey, the survey answers for the doctors or dentists, answers for open-ended questions, and the list of the patients who had bad experience with their doctor or dentist during their visit. Here is just a note. If you sent the newsletter email for a doctor today, you will need to wait 15 days or 2 weeks to send the next email for the A New Doctor's newsletter. We do this to avoid sending many emails to patients that may lead their request to unsubscribe from the email list. The last thing to show here is when we need to subscribe monthly to access the platform after the 2-week free trial. We click on the link Pay or Renew Your Account. Here, you can choose your subscription option either to activate 1 user, 3 users or 5 users. And click Subscribe. It will take you to the PayPal webpage to pay for the subscription. Then, click Continue. After going through the transaction, it will take you to this page. You just need to confirm some information about you. Then click Submit. After that, you can log in with your monthly subscription.